I'm Adam Pennell, and today we're making Mediterranean Lambchetta. So we're just going to take a tablespoon of our rub, which is cumin seeds, smoked paprika, garlic powder, cumin, coriander, salt and brown sugar into the blender, followed by some jarred sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to go for about 2 spoons of those and some of the oil that they came in. Same with these peppers. These are really handy. Roasted peppers in a jar. I'm going to go for a big spoon of those and again a bit of the oil. Handful of black olives. Here we have some artichoke, again from a jar. Then we're going to go in with a nice pinch of parsley. These are just coriander stalks, you know, use them up, they've got amazing flavour. I'm going to give it a squeeze of half a lemon. For a real taste of the Mediterranean, we're going in with some anchovies as well. Anchovies and lamb work really well together. It's going to bring an extra bit of salt, umami flavours, and blend. Right, so here we've got the lamb loin and belly all in one. So you can see there's the thick bit of loin there. We want that to be served nice and pink. The skin is going to crisp up on the outside. That belly, you know, it's quite thin. There's plenty of fat running through it. So we're going to try and cook this to sort of medium rare. We do need to roll this up with our flavours inside, but if I'm going to roll beyond here, if I was to roll and cover this bit of skin up, it's going to be quite chewy. So we need to make a note of where that ends. And so we want this flap to kind of finish here. So take an incision across the skin. Here, you need a nice sharp knife for this. Okay, roll it back. And then this bit of skin is going to come off. We've now got the loin, it's completely trimmed, but it's going to be completely wrapped in this bit of fat. And we're just going to liberally rub our marinade, or our filling, all those Mediterranean flavours from a jar, preserved from last summer. It's going to rub that all over the inside. So now, it's just a case of, going to roll this over. Very simply, and hopefully we're going to meet, so the skin is just going to meet where I've trimmed it, which is perfect, like so. It's going to score it. So we're just going to run a knife over like this all the way across, and I'll probably turn it over and do the other side as well. Right, so we've got a little bit of this sun-dried tomato oil left. I've used the tomatoes, but the oil is still full of flavour as well. I'm just going to give that a little drizzle. That's just basically to hold on a little bit of this rub. Sprinkle on, work into the skin. We're going to tie it up on the underside. So I'm just going to take some butcher string now and secure the whole thing. Okay, now we're going to insert the meter probe. We're going to go into the thickest end. It's just going to push right in as far as we can go. Okay, so we're going to set up the cook. So we're going to cook lamb today, and it's the loin that I'm interested in, so that's there. And we want to serve it medium, which is there. 60 degrees is exactly what I would have chosen. The meter knows. Let's start the cook. Now you can cook this on any barbecue really, as long as you've got a lid. We're going on the kettle today. So the coals are on the one side, and this side obviously there's nothing at all. Our Lambchetta is going to go on this side. Here, I'm just going to drop a little bit of ash onto the fire there, lid down, and keep an eye on it. It's important when you're smoking on a kettle like this that you make sure that the vent that's open here is on the opposite side to where the smoke is being generated. So it's going to draw that smoke across the meat and out through those vents. If we were to have the fire this side underneath the vent, the smoke's just going to come straight out and the meat isn't going to benefit. Right, so the meter's telling me we've hit 40 degrees now, so I reckon it's time to have a look and a little turnaround. Unbelievable. So we're getting caramelization along this one side. So I'm just going to turn this around now so that we get it an even cook. There we go. And hopefully we'll get that same colour now on this side too. Woohoo! That sound means it's ready. Amazing. Look, can't wait to eat this. Nice going through that like butter. I'm so excited. Let's have a look. Look at that. Whoa, yeah, baby. All of those flavours in there, just blushing pink. Smells unreal. I'm gonna have to slice me a little bit. Right then. Wow, so much going on. That is literally perfectly cut. It's like fillet steak, beautiful. Make this for your friends and family at Easter. They will not be disappointed.